mentor, handhold, bring in new to industry uh, mutual fund distributors and make them experts in this business. So that's the whole endeavor. Let me try and take you through a small presentation on what we are trying to do through this platform. Kirti, let me know once my screen is visible.
Sure, sir. Yeah, the screen is visible.
Noted. Okay. Is it, yeah, visible, Kirti?
Absolutely fine.
Okay. So as you can see, these are the large partners who have joined hands in promoting this initiative. They contribute to almost, as I said, Kirti shared that about 20 lakh crores of assets. And National Stock Exchange is the largest Indian stock exchange which is there. Now, let us first start with just understanding what is mutual fund industry. So mutual fund industry, is nothing but when people come together, give their money to an expert company who can help manage that that corpus or that money. So you take small money sets of investments from thousands and millions and of people, and then give it to a specialist for a small fee, and they manage the money for you under the aegis of the regulatory supervision of SEBI. So it's a great vehicle to build, protect, and transfer your wealth. Now, how has this industry grown? So it is, when I joined this industry very early, 99, 2000, this industry was 1 lakh crores. People did not actually know much about mutual funds. Now it is almost about 32 lakh crores. So from 1 lakh crores to 32 lakh crores, it has become. It is almost now about 20% of the total banking deposits in the country. And look at how fast it is growing. In the last 6 years, it has grown by 3 times, which is from 10 lakhs to 30 lakhs and above. And in the last 10 years itself, it has grown by 5 times. So while it is growing in terms of value, but still in terms of unique number of individual investors, it has a lot of potential. So only about 2.5 crore unique investors have invested. But the benefits of this thing, benefits of mutual funds have yet to go to 98% of the population still. And for that, we require expert distributors, expert counselors, expert financial distributors to handhold, guide people in their journey of building, protecting, and transferring their wealth. Now, as an industry, it's very well regulated by SEBI, very credible, very transparent, very low cost, investor focused industry, very transparent. So that defines one of the reason why it has grown significantly over the years. But globally, it is in most of the countries, it is actually bigger than in the developed country, it is bigger than the bank deposit, itself. So that is the scope which is still there. So why one should look at becoming a mutual fund distributor? Clearly, as I said, today it is while it has grown, but still it has a large, tremendous growth, untapped potential and an opportunity to grow. As per experts, this industry would become about, today it is 32 lakh crores. It will become 100 lakh crores in the next decade. So 100 lakh crores. And, it requires experts like what you are trying to become by joining this call. So I'm sure, thank you very much. So experts who can guide investors in telling them where to invest, when to invest, how to invest. So that's where one of this thing, and not only limiting yourself to mutual fund distribution, but also slowly and steadily expanding your scope of understanding, knowledge on other things like insurance, lending, and other financial products as well. So धीरे धीरे what is happening is, अगर आप देखेंगे कि every year we save 25%, roughly 25% of our money we save. पहले ये सारा पैसा, the biggest money used to go into predominantly things like real estate, fixed deposits, and gold. So 90% plus money used to go into all of these things. Slowly and steadily, people are saying and moving from physical assets or low yielding assets to growth assets, and therein mutual funds have grown significantly. But still, as you can see on the screen, while it is growing, as I told you in my initial remarks, that abhi bhi sirf 2 crore 2.5 crore investors hain total, which means that in terms of people who are hand holding these investors, there is only one distributor for every 17,000 people, potential investors. And look at it, if I was to just take you through, there are 75 crore bank accounts. So there is 130 crore population, 75 crore bank accounts, 35 crore insurance policies, roughly about 29 crore of PAN cards, but only still about 2.5 crore of mutual fund investors. They need people like you to guide them, help them in their investment journey. So, we spoke about, some of you may be already doing some financial business, but mutual fund, unlike, let's assume, many other products, take an example, insurance, for discussion's sake. It's a very, very important part of any investor's portfolio. But आप insurance के लिए जब आप engage करते हैं, तो आप you will engage with them only once in a year, at best twice in a year. So you will deal once in a year, but in mutual funds, when you deal, because mutual fund manages your money or have answers to your investment goals from 1 day to 100 years, you practically, and it is very, very knowledge based, dynamic industry, international markets, economics, domestic demand and supply, markets, everything keeps on changing. So you engage with them. It's a very, very high engagement, customer centric business. So you engage with your client very regularly. Plus, as I told you, it is very, very well regulated. I think credit to the regulator who has made it. In fact, it is one of the best regulated industries across the world. Indian security market industry and mutual funds are one of the best regulated across the world. So it offers you products and solutions at very, very low cost. So and it's very, very interesting that it is your income is directly linked to your client's success. And to become a not only why it is done in terms of product and processes, but also in terms of simplification, technology. This industry is far ahead of the entire thing. It offers high earning possibility. I'll show you later in the day. And as I said, it is success. Your success is directly proportionate to the success or wealth of your clients. But इस industry के लिए, to work in this industry, one, you need right technical knowledge, which is important. You also need the right skills and attitude to handle your clients, and especially the behavioral aspects of client. So this is where we said that if you come into an industry, your life can be set. Now, why mutual fund distribution or why financial entrepreneurship, as we say? So पहली चीज है financial entrepreneurship में, this is the only possible entrepreneurship wherein you can own your own business with zero investment, practically zero investment. So अगर आपको, you have to open a small grocery store as well, किराने की दुकान भी खोलनी है, you need 20-30 lakh rupees to start that business. But herein you can start. Knowledge is the only investment, which I may say it for this business. You can start this business with a computer and your desk at home, and you don't need anything else. Only the knowledge and your skills are part of it. What could be the reasons? One reason is कि आप तो अच्छा करना चाहते ही हैं, but उससे पहले, as I said, कि this is an opportunity to be an integral part of every financial decision or every investment decision your clients take. And if you can guide them better, unfortunately the truth is that I have seen in our everyone is running after money, but while they are working so hard for earning money, but they do not spend enough time to manage this money and ensure that their money is also working hard for them. तो पूरी जिंदगी निकल जाती है पैसा कमाने में, बट ये नहीं देखते हैं कि पैसा उनके लिए क्या कमा रहा है. So that's, and it's not only for your clients, for your own self as well. Money is the most important skill, because that is going to be there from today till the time you die. And even after you die, you will pass it on to your next generation. So from your perspective, it is a huge social initiative as well to guide the people in smaller towns, new to investors, who unfortunately are not guided. Their money is lying in very low, sometimes it is lying in things which are non-transparent, like chit funds, or in non-liquid instruments, or instruments which are not well regulated. So, or they are locked in instruments for very, very long. So जब पैसे की जरूरत आती है, they are unable to do it. Now you can be the right guide to them, slowly and steadily, if you want to learn and study this art of managing money. And globally, you must know that art of managing money or financial distribution is amongst the top 5 most sought after careers for people who are who are wanting to start their careers. So not only that, finally आप एक investor के लिए तो अच्छा कर ही रहे हैं, but you're also doing good for our own capital markets and for the nation, because every country requires equity capital or investment in securities market to grow. Obviously, once you have made and ensured that you are doing good for your investor, you should also be making money. So the good part here is that आप as I told you कि आपकी income is linked to the value of the investment. तो अगर 1 लाख रुपया आज आपसे investment लिया, and that 1 lakh rupees at 15% compounding works out, becomes about 8 lakhs in 15 years, 8 times, right? So rule of 72. So अगर 15% से अगर 12% से बढ़ रहा है, तो 72 divided by 12, so 6 every 6 years it will double. if 15% से बढ़ रहा है, तो almost every 5 years it will double. So it becomes 8 times in 15 years. तो आपने 1 लाख दिया, I am earning say 100 rupees, 1% on that. On the same money, this 15 lakh rupees, when it keeps on growing every year, I keep on growing, earning on the growth of it. So on 8 lakhs, when it reach 8 lakhs, I will be earning on the same money roughly 8,000 rupees. 1% of 8 lakhs. So whatever is the value, your income is directly linked to that. And if you service your client good, you will keep on earning it lifetime from that client. It's very credible, very transparent. It can be your primary source of earning. अगर आप already कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, like I saw some people are marketing executives, or are they doing some of their own business, this can become your secondary source of earning. और धीरे धीरे जब आप सीख जाएंगे, and when it becomes big, this may become your primary source of earning, and your own business may become secondary source. So clearly, and finally, it is not limited to this thing. As I said, dhire dhire, when you start managing customers Wealth, you not only manage their day-to-day investments, you manage their health insurance, life insurance, non-life insurance, equity, fixed income, lending, loans, all of those things. So it's a very remunerative thing in the long term, which is there. Third, it gives you the flexibility to work from anywhere and anytime. So you can, as I said, no geographical barrier. You can be sitting out of Jamshedpur and managing money in Vizag, or Jamshedpur and managing money in Jammu. You can be sitting in Munnar and managing money in Delhi. So from Kanyakumari to Kashmir or anywhere, technology, it's a very seamless system. And you are getting into a platform which is very, very credible. First time in the country, all of these people have come together, and you will get support from all of these people. Reason 4, I think everyone wants more than money. They also want recognition, that whatever you are doing, your client should recognize you कि आपने मेरी जिंदगी में, you have brought something, a difference to my life, to my next generation. There are millions and millions of stories wherein you have helped people to move from, their children who have, because they started early and our current distributor supported them, they have bought bigger houses. Their children have gone to foreign education because they guided them at the right time कि छोटे छोटे बूंद और छोटे छोटे इन्वेस्टमेंट से भी बड़ा पैसा बन सकता है. And the other part is, it's a beautiful industry because you keep on learning. It is a knowledge based industry. तो आपको हर साल, हर रोज अपने आप को, आपकी नॉलेज को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, तभी आप क्लाइंट के लिए काम कर सकते हैं. तो रिकग्निशन भी है, पैसा भी है, और आपके लिए सेल्फ नॉलेज भी है. तो दैट इज ए ग्रेट कॉम्बिनेशन on this thing. You don't have any age restrictions. तो अगर आप 18 साल के हैं, you can start doing this. No educational, if you are even an undergraduate, you can do this course. No retirement criteria. You never retire from this business. If you want, you can. It is a lifelong business. आप करेंगे, उसके बाद अगर you want to give it to your children, you want to give it to your next generation, it will continue. No limit on learning, on the earning part of it. More you do work, more are your assets, and I'll show you again. And that is you can keep on earning lifelong on this thing. And there is no initial investment, which I shared with you. And you will be mentored, handheld by the people who are the best in this thing. So इस industry में fund managers, experts, who are already existing distributors who have made it very, very large, they're all there, and you will get mentored by them, not only when you are doing this course, but even after your course. When you started, there are con calls which are happening on what are the markets, what is happening across the world, what does budget mean for you, and we will also help you in upskilling slowly and steadily through various online certifications, programs, training initiatives, investor awareness initiatives, all of that. Not only you, but your investors as well. So, and as I said, this is a very, very under-penetrated market. Every year, Indians are saving 20 lakhs to 30 lakh crores every year. Only 2% Indians are investing in mutual funds and growth products. So you have a huge opportunity to leverage on this thing and set up your own business around this part of it. So what is the qualification criteria? As I said, no qualification, compulsory qualification. You are an undergraduate, you can do 18 years or older. No minimum compulsory hours. You can have the liberty to work anytime, anywhere, primary source, secondary source. And I will share some of these details on how you can go ahead and start your journey. It's almost practically free for you. So I will share all of those parts which is there. Now, how do we help you to become? What are the elements? What is required if you have to become a mutual fund distributor to start with? In our case, you just need to come on to Expert MFD, which is mutualfunddistributor.com, register yourself, and Some of you have already registered and that's why you are on the call. Some of you are first time, just you have seen this ad somewhere on the social media and have joined and registered yourself. For people who have already there on the Expert MFD platform, you know that after you do the registration, we take and ask you to update your profile, and that required some time. So it will take you half an hour or so because it requires certain documents. These documents are required by National Institutes of Securities Market, which is NISM, to clear the MF distribution examination. तो जैसे गाड़ी चलाने के लिए you need a license, to do mutual fund distribution you need a license and a certification, and that certification is NISM. पहले आप सर्टिफिकेशन करेंगे, उसके बाद आपको इंडस्ट्री विच इज एम्फी, एसोसिएशन ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड्स ऑफ इंडिया, विल गिव यू द लाइसेंस नंबर विच इज ARN, एम्फी रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर. सो ये दो चीजें चाहिए, and we will help you once you are there. It is our duty to get all of these things to you. You only have to study and pass the exam. Once you do the examination, you get your ARN number. Uske baad, what you need to do, we will get your tie-ups done with the top AMCs or mutual fund companies, the 8 mutual fund companies which are there with, and you are then ready to start your business. So that this tie-up is required because you need to also then start, doing your business, and you should be paid by these mutual funds for sourcing the business. And then once you do this thing, obviously there are other elements which we will share कि आपको support के लिए हम क्या-क्या करेंगे in the next few slides. So end to end, this, as I said, this is more like a, if I may call it, it is a social initiative by the industry. The cost is significantly subsidized. The training cost, it's very minimal, 2,500 rupees, including the NISM fees of 1,500 rupees. So basically 1,000 rupiah is getting charged, and that money is also returned back to you once you start your business. So it is end-to-end operational support. You get onboarded, you get trained, trained for the NISM examination. It is a blended, so online bhi course milta hai. You get also trained by experts in the virtual online sessions like we are doing today. Then we get your ARN, then we empanel you, then we will give you a transaction platform by NSE so that आप अपने clients का पैसा manage कर पाए. And then once you are there, the first 1 or 2 years, you need much more hand holding to set up your business, to consolidate your business. That time, our partner branches, colleagues of our partners in your own location. So मैं देख रहा था कोई जयपुर से है, कोई पुणे से है, कोई कोयम्बटूर से है, कोई पौंडीचेरी से है. So all of these places you will be supported by the employees of our partners in giving you business support and training intervention, and also doing other business support activities, including financial awareness seminars for your clients. So this is what we spoke about. So before I move to the earning and few other points, I think so you should sign up now. As I said, it is almost free of cost. If you have aspirations to set up your own business, if you want to build up a primary or secondary source of income, you already saw that in COVID, a lot of people lost their livelihoods. If you would have something like this, you would have never lost any part of income, because the money was already, जो पैसा पड़ा हुआ है उस पे आप कमा रहे थे. You have the flexibility of working from home. You don't have to ever worry about that. What will I do when I retire? You will actually not retire anytime. Only if you choose to retire, then you can. If you like to earn every day, because every day when your investment is clients, money is there, you every day earn. They are earning and you are earning on that. If you like to be recognized, if you want to earn more, and if you want to help your investors and your ecosystem to also become wealthy with small investments starting now. So thank you. Let me quickly go to the other part of it, which is the flow. Just let me try and tell you, we have discussed it, but just for 2 minutes, what do we do? You go to the platform, register yourself, create your profile. You take a small examination, nothing, there's no pass or fail here. It is just to know more about you so that we can support you better. Once you do that, you have to pay the fees of 2,500 rupees, which is here. Just 1 minute, let me try and see if I can show. Yeah, here, this 2,500 rupees, which is there. This is also to ensure that we do not have non-serious players. This money will be to in the program. This money includes NISM examination fees, training fees, operational assistance, induction fees, all of that. And this money is also paid back to you once you start your business. So there is an NISM course which you will get, online course access. As you are going through the online course, we will reach out to you for your training sessions, by on virtual training sessions. Then you take the NISM examination. Then we help you take the license, as I told you, and then you are ready to do your business. And before you start your business, finally, we also give you detailed practical training on how to do business and what are the nuances of some of the products and processes which you will be doing. Dheere dheere, you can expand your business from mutual funds to insurance, to bonds, to FD, to loans, and slowly and steadily we'll support you with all of those things. Let me try and explain you your earning potential, but let me, you have to go through. I'll come to this slide, back to this slide later on, because this is where we were talking. We have already discussed how the journey flows, registration to NISM. The NISM examination is a 2-hour examination. The fees is already taken in from you. It is 100 marks examination, no negative marking. Passing marks is 50 marks. We will help you train for all of this thing. So aapko, roughly it is, you will need to spend 2-3 weeks seriously onto this thing, and you are done and ready for this business. Now, before I go, I'm sure some of you have gone through the website. So on the website, if you go, let me show you the website as well. Kirti, my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is expertmfd.com. You will get all the details which are here. This presentation which I'm giving you is here. Why expert, MFD. You can click here and download. It talks to me about the benefits, how the process is. Also, you have some questions which may be there, are all in FAQs. You click here, you will get the information, including what could be your earning potential. Let me go through some of these things and let me go to earning potential, because that's where I'm sure a lot of you are waiting for. So, okay, this is the calculator which is available in the FAQs. If you go to FAQs, you can download this calculator. This is roughly to give you an idea. So just as a very simple how you can create it, if you were to, work on this for 1 year and set up 100 clients, lump sum, who are ready to give you 5 lakh rupees, and this number can change. I can change it here. I can make it 10. I can make it 1,000. For discussion's sake, I'm just saying 100. And assuming that you get 1% on trail commission on your investment. And similarly, you get 100 systematic investment plan. Systematic investment plan is like an RD. So 10,000 rupees ka 10,000 rupees investment every month. Again, this can be 5,000, 1,000, 500, 100 rupees, everything. You can change these numbers and this calculator will give you the answer. So if you were to do, but for simplicity's sake, 100 clients, from every client, you have 5 lakh rupee investment and 10,000 rupee SIP. In 20 years, you will earn whatever your client will earn is separate. On 20 years, on this 100 clients, you will earn 8 crore rupees. 8 crore rupees, but it will start slowly. It starts with 6 lakhs. First year, 3 years, 24 lakhs, 10 years, 1.7 crores, 20 years, 8 crores. So if I divide this 8 crores into by the 20, you are almost, your salary is 40 lakhs per annum, which is better than the best IIM Ahmedabad salary, average salary. You will earn better than, if you can just get 100 clients, you will earn better than IIM Ahmedabad's average salary. 1 lakh becomes, and the other way to look at, on 1 lakh, how much will you earn? This 1 lakh, if I were to give you my investment at 15% compounding, it will become 8 lakh rupees in 15 years, which I told you. On this 1 lakh, cumulatively, you would earn in 15 years 38,000 rupees. Again, you will not earn it upfront. It will be the patience, and that's where the skills and long-term orientation is important. The same example, if I was to explain you, if you were to do 10,000 rupees per month, अपने client का, मैंने आपको 10,000 रुपए का SIP दिया, and which means 15 साल के लिए. So 10,000 rupees per month is 1,20,000 rupees per year, and 15 साल means 18 lakh रुपए, 18 lakh rupees. At 15% compounding, this 18 lakhs would become automatically 65 lakhs. And you would have earned on that cumulative commission of 2,55,000. If I divide this into by 15 years, this becomes 17,000 rupees per annum, which is actually bigger than the first check I cut for you. I gave you 10,000 rupees and the rest was only I filled in on this thing. You get 17,000 rupees per this. This is the power of compounding. And the faster you start doing it in your lives as an investor and in your business as an expert distributor, this is the earning which we are talking of. So I will pause myself here on this note, and I will come back to you. And if you have any questions, happy to understand. Okay, so there is. Yeah, go ahead.
I have a question.
Can you just introduce yourself before you're Kunal, and you're from which place and what do you do? Just so
I'm from Mumbai, and I work in a manufacturing setup. And this is what I was looking for. So first of all, nice presentation by you about the total overall scenario of Indian markets and how people invest. So just two questions that come to my mind. My first question is about since the potential is so huge and the future is always bright. So what exactly is the hindrance in Indian people's mindset? Why they are not yet investing? Why only 2.5 crore people are still there in the last 30 days? Although the
30 years. Days
so AUM seems to increase from 1 lakh crore to around 31 lakh crore. But broadly, only 2.5 crore people are interested in this. What is the reason that you feel you have interacted with so many people? What exactly looks like the hindrance?
So Kunal, there are two kind of parts to it. One, there are, honestly, if you ask me, people in Indian, because we came in from an scarcity background. So for us, people used to think that today and once our per capita income is about $1,200-$1,300 per annum. So पहले लोग जब when they come out of the first $1,000 goes into roti kapda makan. And then when you start saving, the first thing is you save in things which are very safe. So यहाँ पर आपको fixed return लगता है. And for lifelong, people have told कि gold, real estate, things like that, you will do it, आपको safe एक पैसा मिलेगा. Now that has been going on. And that's where 90% of the money is. But then beyond it, you start realizing what are the downsides of putting money in some of this thing. Property mein I was a professional like you. I left my after 23 years, I was deputy CEO. I left to start up this business. I wanted money. I have a, I had invested in property, but when I needed money, I couldn't get out of my property. It was illiquid. Now, whereas all my mutual funds, I was able to do it. So one is the fact is that the concept of safety in people's mind. Second part of it is that there are not enough people who are there like you to guide them. There are only there are only about 20,000 real active people who are focused on in the top markets which are there. There are not enough people. You look at around in your own house, how many people in your friends would be investing there? So you need people like you. So these are the two broad reasons where the penetration in number of people are less, but जिन्होंने करा पैसा, जिन्होंने डाला पैसा, they have invested significant amount of wealth into this thing. That's why lesser number of people, but larger amount of wealth, because they have seen the benefits for the last 20 years into investing into this thing.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, and my second question was about that. Since we are already working, many of us would be already working in some other companies, etc., in a private organization or somewhere. So can we invest? So can we become a MFD in somebody else's name, like parents' name or somebody else's
Yeah,
name, or we'll have to do it
but
on
they
our
will
own?
have to.
Not allowed.
Whoever has to become an MFD. Suppose your wife wants to become an MFD, but she will have to clear the exam, and we will teach her. You can support her, which is there. So, but the person who needs to do the business needs to clear the exam, or you need to create a company setup. So you create a license in your name and then set up a company wherein you will have to use your license for that company. So that is what
Okay.
I would
Otherwise,
suggest. That
it can be in the.
yeah, go ahead, please.
Otherwise it can be in somebody else's name, like father's name or wife's name, but
Ah,
I can be active person for client interactions.
absolutely. A lot of people do like that. A lot of people.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kunal. What else? Go ahead. So there is, thank you. There are few people, MFDs, who are there. They have said that they are here because they want to support this initiative. I can only fold my hands and say thank you very much. This is a very large social initiative. So thank you for being here. I was just being polite to say that you may not be here to waste your precious time, but since your objective is to spread it, most welcome. Which is there. Thank you for some good words which have been there.
Hi, sir. I just wanted to add one thing. This is Savita from Delhi, sir. I think this is a very good initiative, and in past I had invested and quite I have earned good sum. I am planning to start my business. To start with my family and friends. So I've gone through the website and it is quite interesting and also very, very informative. Thank you for this initiative. And so everything is there. I have created my profile also, and I'll be completing my payment by today. I just have one question. It also talks about training. So can you just guide us about how and when this training is going to start, or the session that you're going to take?
Sorry, Savita, can you on the training, when will you, the first session, Savita, you have already done the payment. If you are planning it, the first batch is will start tentatively from 1st of April. We are looking at batch sizes of about 25 to 30 people. So we are hopefully, already we are around that mark. So we will start the first batch of training on around 1st of April. So people who are here, who are like you, I would also recommend and request you to quickly do your payment so that you will immediately assign the online course, and then around 1st of April, in the first week of April, the trainer-led sessions will also start.
Sure, thank you.
Mr. Kesavan has raised his hand. Mr. Kesavan, please go ahead.
Good evening, Mr. Himanshu. This is Kesavan here. Though I am an active ARN holder, unfortunately, I have not been active in terms of the business aspect. The buying in terms of doing a mutual fund business is very high. Having said that, somehow I am little reluctant to take this investment opportunity to my clients. Basically, I'm an insurance advisor. I'm associated with Max Life Insurance for the last 10 years. And, but unfortunately, as I said, I'm unable to take this investment opportunity to the end user. The objective, or rather the obstacle, basically I face within myself is, since it deals with the money of my customers, in terms of choosing the product or in terms of choosing the schemes, I'm absolutely clueless. So that is one thing which actually stops me to promote the mutual fund business. So can I have some tips or probably ideas how to get out of this challenge?
So, Kesavan ji, I think very, very simple. I think, broadly, there are two tools. So don't worry about any scheme. I think the first tool is systematic investment. Look at the, take any good large cap scheme and start the systematic investments. And you start with SIP, for your client. The second is you start with the liquid fund, manage their saving money. So, why should that money be lying in the saving bank account? These are the two very simple, very, very basic tools. And the other thing is, rather than worrying about managing schemes, different schemes, I think worldwide, that studies show that about 90% of the returns come because of asset allocation and not because of choice of schemes. So focus on asset allocation for your clients. How much in liquid, how much in debt, how much in equity. That's it. Don't focus. Even if you choose one asset management company, that is good enough for managing the asset allocation, because they have multiple schemes and multiple. I hope it is difficult to answer this big question on this thing, but I hope I have been able to give you a broader aspect of this thing.
Certainly, Mr. Himanshu, probably I will try to touch base with you offline.
Sure, thank you.
Take your insights so that I can become active in terms of the business too.
Sure. Thank you, Kesavan.
Yeah.
So there is someone, Ms. Dhanushri and Akirti has answered. Dhanushri, please send this email. We will connect with you quickly if this is some technical issue which you are facing. There is also some Sridhar Sapkal who has shared this thing. So please quickly, you can even privately send it to Kirti your numbers in this chat. So you can select her name or to me, and we will connect with you and ensure that this is sorted out.
There's a question from Mr. Srini, sir. What's the expected timing of the online training session?
So online training session typically, will require, it depends upon how much time you do it. It will take about 12 to 13 hours of study time. Now you can do it in 1 day or 12 days, but typically, if you ask me, it would take you about 2 weeks to genuinely go through the program and this thing. Within these 2 weeks, after you have completed 7-10 days, you will also have 6 days of trainer-led sessions of 2 hours each. So 2 hours into 6 days, 12 hours of trainer-led session, which will re-emphasize and clear your doubts, what you have studied on the online part.
Hello.
Yes.
I'm Sapna speaking.
Sapna, kahan se bol rahe hain? Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. I just want to join. I'm a housewife and now my children are grown up. So I just want to join as a mutual fund distributor. But I have some doubt and a hitch that after training, can I get under someone should I be trained how to invest the money? Is there any scope in there?
Yeah, Sapna. We will give you the platform also. As you said that these are 8 players. They all have offices in Delhi. When you clear this thing, you will, in fact, people will run after you to train you and handhold you. In fact, so once you do that, people from all the AMCs will reach out to handhold, train you on some of these nuances. But after जब तक आप course पूरा करेंगे, including the NISM and induction, you will yourself be very confident by that time. And the best thing to do is, I don't know if you have ever yourself invested in mutual funds. Best thing to do it is, once you are doing this course, you start your small investment and see how does it happen and how does it work. So I
Thank you
can
very
assure you that you will have enough and more people guiding you through this entire initiative. That's the whole objective of this initiative, that it's not only teaching, it is about handholding people to become business financial entrepreneurs.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Santosh, please go ahead with your question. You have raised your hand. You are not audible, Santosh. Mr. Santosh, if you are speaking.
Now I am audible, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Namaste, Himanshu ji. First of all, I congratulate you to start this
संतोष जी, I can't hear you. आप वीडियो बंद भी करेंगे तो चलेगा, because I think you are on the road. शायद कनेक्टिविटी का इशू है, बट बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Now I am audible, sir.
Yes sir, बिल्कुल संतोष जी.
सर, सबसे पहले तो आपको मैं congratulate करना चाहता हूँ to start this initiative.
धन्यवाद.
I am from a very small town.
कहाँ से हैं संतोष जी?
I am from Maharashtra, sir, from Yavatmal district.
Yavatmal, very good.
Yavatmal district. And
Very nice.
5 years when I invested my mutual funds, nobody was there to telling me.
अच्छा.
Now my question is that people are getting more and more techno savvy day by day.
जी.
This distribution business
जी.
will it get a future? Because आजकल हम देख रहे हैं कि लोग खुद ही अपना कुछ कर रहे हैं, जैसे कैंप्स के द्वारा या तो ऑनलाइन इसमें खुद का खुद सब्सक्रिप्शन कर रहे हैं म्यूचुअल फंड में. So do we have future for the distributor?
सर
Because-
मेरे हिसाब से तो बहुत बड़ा फ्यूचर है. आप मेरे को बस इतना आंसर बताइए. बहुत सारी केमिस्ट की दुकानें हैं आजकल, तो ऑनलाइन पे दवाई भी घर पे आ जाती है, तो डॉक्टर का बिजनेस रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा?
हाँ, बिल्कुल रहेगा.
तो सर आप भी फाइनेंशियल डॉक्टर है ना, तो फाइनेंशियल डॉक्टर का बिजनेस कैसे नहीं रहेगा? अगर आप अच्छा काम करेंगे तो बिल्कुल रहेगा. बट क्रोसिन के लिए मैं शायद आपके पास ना हूँ, बट क्रोसिन के बियॉन्ड भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो आप मुझे सपोर्ट करेंगे. और आपने क्योंकि एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा, मैंने जब मैं काम करता था तो एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है, उनके एमडी मेरे पास मिलने आए. वर्ल्ड की सबसे दे मैनेज मोर देन $1 ट्रिलियन. तो मतलब पूरी इंडस्ट्री, जो हमारी पूरी म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री है, वो $400 बिलियन की है रफली. उसका 3 गुना मैनेज करते थे. तो मैंने उनसे पूछा, माइकल आप कहाँ पैसा, मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव था कि आप समझने के लिए कि वो अपना पैसा इंडिया में डालते हैं या नहीं डालते हैं. मैंने पूछा, माइकल आप अपना पैसा कहाँ डालते हैं? तो ही सेड, हिमांशु मुझे नहीं पता. तो मैंने सोचा कि शायद बताना नहीं चाह रहे हैं, इतने बड़े आदमी हैं, इतना बड़ा पैसा डालते होंगे तो बताना नहीं चाह रहे हैं. तो मैंने दोबारा से परसिस्टेंस करा कि सर आप, माइकल, मे बी यू मिस्ड आंसरिंग माय क्वेश्चन, आप अपना पैसा कहाँ डालते हैं? He said, Himanshu, genuinely, I don't know, because I have given my money to say, XYZ, who's my broker, and I have told my wife that अगर मुझे कभी कुछ हो गया, this XYZ will ensure that all our investments and all of these things are ensured and given to you. And I have full trust in him. So I don't even get into it. It is the professional to do the job. I give him the fees, and he is the professional whom I have full trust on that he will manage my money in the right manner. I hope I have been able to make a point there कि अगर डॉक्टर रहेंगे तो आप फाइनेंशियल डॉक्टर भी रहेंगे. अगर Amazon आने के बाद रिटेल किराना शॉप रहेगी तो आप भी रहेंगे. So I don't have any doubt that all of this will be this is a business of trust. This is a business of skill. This is a business of expertise. As I said, लोग अब पैसा कमाने में इतना ज्यादा बिजी हैं कि उनको नहीं पता है कि what are they missing and at what cost. सिर्फ 1-2% में they get the best money, people to manage this money. So I hope
Okay.
you know, at least my conviction is कि ये बिजनेस बहुत ही ज्यादा बढ़ेगा और आप जैसे लोग इसको बढ़ा सकते हैं if you are fully expert in this initiative.
Sir, one more question.
जी.
Sir, regular plan and direct plan.
हाँ जी.
अब डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को तो
सेम आंसर है मेरा सर. केमिस्ट के पास आप
हाँ।
केमिस्ट के पास जाओगे या डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे? डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे तो फीस तो देनी पड़ेगी डॉक्टर की.
या
तो वही आंसर है मेरा. डन. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
Mr. Ritesh, please go ahead with your question. You have raised your hand. Okay. Meanwhile, sir, there is a question from Mr. Chandresh. How this platform is different from organization like NJ Wealth or similar? Do we get the entire commission directly from AMC or there is deduction from commission from the business we bring?
नहीं, you get, there is no deduction. So one is NJ. NJ is a great platform, but NJ may you work under the NJ platform. So NJ का code होता है and you are under the NJ platform which you work. Herein you are working like an independent owner of your own business. So that is the difference which is there. The other part of it is herein the bigger difference is that here our job here is to train and skill you. Tomorrow, even after this, you can go and join an NJ platform. Our job is to train and make you ready. If you find more value with NJ, by all means, please join any platform. You want to do your own business, NJ platform gives you more value, please join whatever. Our job is to make you, handhold you, skill you to become your start your business. That's it. In terms of commission, आपको AMC से सीधा commission आएगा. Every monthly the commission comes in. Someone asked me ki does it 1% is flat? No, Kunal, the answer is that every AMC gives you, some people give you more than 1%, some people give you lesser than 1%. This is just an average number, but empanelment will happen one click. You don't need to go to eight AMCs. We will help you with one click with all the 8 partners which are there. Also, if you are from smaller towns like Yavatmal, we heard, or anything beyond the top 15 cities, you get a slight additional commission, which is known as B15 additional commission, smaller towns. So beyond 15 cities additional commission. This is given in to ensure to expand the to promote mutual funds in smaller markets. Like someone was saying, while we have 2 crore customers, but most of these customers are from top cities. I think the industry wants and the regulator wants the benefit of mutual funds to go to smaller towns, and hence they give you additional commission if you are doing there as well. I hope that answers.
Yeah, thank you. And one more question in that aspect only, that when we are promoting some AMCs, funds, etc. If we promote ETFs or an index fund, so the expense ratios are very low in that category. So the commissions, etc., will also be further lower. So it's a disadvantage.
There is no commission on ETFs and direct stocks. ETF is like a direct stock. There is no commission. If you have to charge, then you have to charge your client for that thing. But ETFs के ऊपर अभी there are fund of funds which have come in. So like example I'll give you, there is a gold ETF and over and above there will be a gold fund. On gold fund, automatically the AMCs have built in your commissions. So rather than selling an ETF, you sell a gold fund and you will get a commission from the AMC. So there are many such products which are there.
Mr. Ritesh, can you unmute yourself now and please ask the question?
Am I audible now?
Yeah,
Yes,
Ritesh,
please.
you are audible.
Yeah, I have registered on your platform and completed my profile and taken the fee as well. Perhaps tomorrow I will be paying the fee. Now I've just 1 or 2 questions that you have 8 partner AMCs. Okay. So after I get my ARN, will I be bound to these
No, sir. You will not be bound to these people. These people have come together voluntarily to support you, but you are not bound to. As per regulatory, you can sell any 44 AMCs once you get your license. Kirti, am I audible?
Yes, absolutely. Does that answer your question, Ritesh, Mr. Ritesh?
Okay.
Maybe
Sir,
some
for
network
some,
issue.
sir, for some
connectivity
of us
issue.
who have joined late, will you be having a recording of this video and or in at least audio form so that
Yeah,
we can
you
benefit
can
from
go,
it?
as I said, you can go on to the presentation on the website. There is a presentation which is already there. Why MFD? So a lot of these things will be there on recording. We can, for if you register, we will put it for people who have registered. Maybe we can send the recording link to the ones who have registered on the platform, which is there.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. So one question is, since SEBI stopped upfront commission and has capped commission to MFD, has the viability of MFD business severely impacted? Is SEBI's general opinion towards MFD business negative?
No, I don't think so. This is a platform. Honestly, I gave the answer earlier. Upfront commission was stopped 10 years, almost 10 years back. After that, the industry has grown by 3 times, and the earnings of the investors, of the distributors. Now we have almost about 100 independent distributors who earn more than 1 crore per year. So it has not impacted at least them, which is there. So the total commission is already there, which is there. So Keswanji, you have to go on to the website expertmfd.com, which is there. You have to register there. So for the benefit of everyone, Kirti has also mentioned. Yeah. Again, there are 2 participants which are showing raised hands. Kirti, are we missing someone? We have Ankit Shah,
Yeah.
and Santosh Kiwale. Ankit Shah,
please unmute yourself, Ankit. Yeah.
Hi, sir. Ankit Shah here.
Go ahead, Ankit.
Sir, currently I'm working in Mumbai as a marketing executive, and I'm in my initial years of career. So I think this will be really a great secondary income platform for me. So I was just wondering that are you planning to also include other financial products like insurance, or it would be just be mutual funds?
Yeah, thank you, Ankit. I think good that you found the initiative useful and you are wanting to start off with this thing. In the second phase, as you start with mutual funds in the first in the initial few months, but we will add up, as I told earlier as well. We will definitely add up and train you on other things like health insurance, life insurance, non-life insurance, all of them. So our idea is to make you a complete financial entrepreneur with all the products and all the regulatory certifications which you require to grow your business. I hope it answers your question, Ankit.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Best wishes, Ankit.
Thank you.
There is Ritesh Bansal whose hand I can see.
Yeah, that was earlier. Or Mr. Ritesh, have you raised your hand again? Or okay. Meanwhile, there's a question in the chat, sir. Will there be any support for the software to maintain and track the investment by probable clients, such as providing consolidated portfolio reports?
Yeah, right now NSE is giving the backend right now for it, so you can start invest. It's a free platform. We plan to create a front end as well, which is there. So for now, the NSE mutual fund platform will be given free of cost, so that you can start managing your clients' investments on this. I hope it answers.
Okay. One question: do I have to physically meet the client to provide MF services? Is it possible to provide MF service over a website?
Oh, you can do your website. Everyone, in fact, without websites and without, I think everyone, like we have created a website for Expert MFD, you will have to create your own, invest in some of the business. You can obviously do manual work, But if you have to really grow your business, we would advise that you should have your website slowly and steadily as you grow your business. But as you earn, you start investing back into some part of into your business, into website technology. Many things will be there. And we will also see that, you know, how more we can help you. But at this point of time, you know, you should definitely look at investing back some of the earnings into building your social media profile, your website, your front end engines, which is there. Back end we are providing. I hope it answers.
Hi, sir. Good evening. This is Sunny from Mumbai.
Yes, Sunny.
This is something that has a capability to bring back to work someone like me who has lost his job due to COVID. So my question is, I don't have a background in finance. Will someone handhold me for this next few months? And if yes, how will this happen?
Sunny, so I think, you know, clearly, I think very relevant. Many people lost their livelihoods, as I mentioned, in COVID. So you know, so one, there is definitely the idea is to handhold people like you. So one, you can become, even if you don't have a finance background, but you have the intent to learn it, you will become, within a month, you will become within a month or two, you will become an advisor completely there. And there will be all these partner AMCs, branches and teams are there. We will conduct many more sessions after the induction to handhold you to start your business. The first way to start your business is, as someone said, is family and friends. The people whom you know. Start with small, as I said, systematic investment of 5,000 rupees, 2,000 per month is the first easy way to start your business. And you should go through that earning potential. You will know that how those small things can also help you. So we will handhold you in few ways in terms of the training programs, regular training programs, the product training programs. Also, we will give you options of online courses which you can do to improve your skill. And I hope once the COVID is gone, people will call you to the branches, to the setup on both soft skill trainings and other things as well. Also, your clients. So suppose if you have 50 clients, 50 friends, you want to do an investor awareness program for them so that they understand what is mutual fund. We'll be happy to do it for you for free of cost for these seminars for all of you. So that would also help your people to be trained on the benefits of investments, and especially in mutual funds.
Thank you, sir.
I hope, Sunny, it answers, but wishing you all the best, Sunny.
Thank you.
Okay, I believe we have answered all the questions in the chat box. Anyone else has any question, please unmute and ask.
While you're thinking, I think my only request would be, as I said, people who are really looking at it, thank you first of all for being here and spending your precious time with us. And only request to you would be to take the benefit of this program. As I said, it's almost free of cost. Take the benefit of this program, start a secondary source of income for yourself, and hopefully make it your primary source. The first batch will start. So the first 25 people who are there, their batch will start in the first week of April. By the time they will have to go through the next 7-8 days, they will go through they have already been given the online access. So if you have registered or you have updated your profile and you have not paid, I would request you to quickly pay and move to the next level. If you have not yet registered, go to the registration and it will guide you how to quickly do this.
Absolutely, Himanshu sir, because it will be great if you all start your new financial year 21-22 with something as exquisite and as valuable and with huge scope like becoming a mutual fund distributor, and that too a very, very trained one with all the information and the required knowledge. So please go and register.
Yeah, so there was someone who asked 2,500K lava, are you charging anything SDR?
I
Then
have
you
responded.
answered. So there is
Yes.
no other charge. This is actually 1,000 rupees plus 1,500, no other charge.
And that too gets reimbursed to you once you log in your first business. So
yes. Perfect. So thank you very much once again for being here. Go to the website for if you have still any doubts. Wishing you all the best. And Ankit is written very nicely to it's a minimum investment and maximum return kind of course. I hope people can take benefit of it, and I'll be more than happy. We'll be all, the entire industry will be happy to support them. So thank you. Have a good day.
thank you, everyone. Thank you, Himanshu sir. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Thank you.